Hi, I'm Jill DeWitt from Land Academy, and as I was going through this stack of mail, I thought today it would be way more fun to do it together. So you can see a little bit about what kind of mail I get and all the good stuff that's in here too. So let's jump in. So I did start to open some of these, and that's when I realized I gotta share this because this is really good. So this is a lovely offer that came back, and the person said, you gotta read this. I'm embarrassed for you guys. Well, I feel bad to say this, but I'm embarrassed that she can't spell embarrassed. So I don't know if it's she, but anyway, I thought that was worth sharing. You know, and this is telling me that the mail we did right, the mail hit. So, because watch, there's some good stuff in here. So let me get to this. I have a few that they really put some thought into this, and this makes me very happy. It's the Bewitt family of companies, and here I'm the Dumbwit family of companies. I thought that, again, not the first time I've seen that. And then I'm Jill Dimwit, and I appreciate this. This was typed down on the label, so that was very nice that some poor secretary or somebody had to waste their time and do that. And the postage. They spent more than I spent getting it to them. So they could have just thrown it away. Now, let's see what we've got here. Again, remove us from your list. So what? You know what? It's like, I know I did it right. I'm gonna get some hate back and some people that aren't happy. Big deal. Now, the next thing in my pile happens to be a check. How nice is this? It's a check for $3,000. Payment for a property, and it actually is some old property. So how nice is that? I got a check in the mail. Again, I think this is a great mail day. I'm doing great. This is awesome. I love it when this happens. I can tell based on an old LLC that we had and the sweet little shaky handwriting from this lady that she's held on to our letter for so long. I've got a beautiful, nice, professional letter that dear Mrs. Bigelow, it looks like, sent me about an offer that we sent a long time ago. She said this is in response to that. Everything's owned free and clear, and there are no unpaid taxes. And I'm now interested in selling the properties together in one sale. So this is beautiful. We have 20 acres, 2 acres, and 2.5 acres. How sweet is this? From an old, this is probably from a mailer from, I don't know, 2004. Moving on. Let's see what we have next, the next envelope. Look at this signed purchase agreement. There we go. This all came in today's mail, by the way. This is not collected over a month. This just came in and I was opening these up. I'm like, oh, this is great. Another one. Signed purchase agreement. So remember all those people that are mad at me at the beginning? These people are like, thank you. And that sweet little lady is like, thank you. This I thought was funny. I'm again going through my mail with you today. Attention owner. How impersonal is this? It's just kind of boring. We'll buy your house fast for cash. ABC real estate. You can't, if you think, this doesn't sound right, I'll buy your cash, attention owner, no name, ABC Real Estate, and it's an 888 number. I'm gonna jump all over that one. So anyway, we don't like that stuff. This is very appropriate. Yes, I'm a huge Yeti fan, so I'm getting some nice, I will look at this later and see what new Yeti toys are coming along. I have several Yeti canisters that I love. This I thought was good because, we sent out offers. This offers, right? Look, it got returned to sender. So I want you to know, offers to owners, we do get return to sender mail coming back. Let's see. Big writing. And this is a nice letter. Oh. They got our offer, wrote back their own professional letter, which basically says, we would like to sell all 6 of the above parcels. And they gave all the details on them. One says, we've got 10 10 total acres in this one, divided into 3.3 acres. Water well in place, not equipped, not in use. Electricity to the power line. I mean, how nice is this? Water well in place, registered, not equipped, not in use. And then 75 acres, this is amazing. They put, how sweet, they got our offer, took it seriously, wrote their own letter back saying, hey, this is what all we own, let's talk. And this is fun too. Always get a bunch of these. I'm almost to the end here. Insurance, need that. The last stack of things that I have here are all tax bills. Sometimes you have so many tax things that come in one big envelope like this, and there's several in here. Otherwise, you can see these are all, this is all the same county here. This is a different county. This is another county. I know these are all tax bills. They're pretty thick envelopes. And more will come in as we're getting to that time of year. We get the second wave of tax bills. So you know what? That's probably what's going on here too. I'm getting tax bills. Let me find the signed purchase agreement. And they're getting tax bills. And that's, I didn't plan it like that. It just, when the mail hit, but a couple times a year when this happens to coincide, it's great. You'll get even more juice as people are just saying, hey, I can get a check or I can write a check. Which would you prefer? So thanks for sharing mail time with me and hope you're having a good acquisition week. I am Jill DeWitt with Land Academy. Take care.